So it is sorta official, OnePlus is gonna launch the OnePlus 10 series with max out specifications 8 Gen 1 CPU really soon. This is an official invite of OnePlus 10 launch event happening in Las Vegas on January 5th. This invite says let's catch up in Las Vegas, save the date. So yes, OnePlus is gonna unveil the flagship at CES, which is a huge platform, less than a month left. A huge news coming in from DCS. Here these are the final specifications of OnePlus 10 Pro. So we have a 6.7 inch 120Hz display. There is a side hole punch and minimal curve edges. Here of course the flashy part of this device is rear design, which contains 48 megapixel main, 50 megapixel super wide, and sad part is a still old telephoto lens, so no periscope or something, which is quite disappointing. The exciting part is OnePlus is using 80 watts fast charging solution, this with a 5000 mAh battery inside. Here I guess 80 watts is like fine for such large batteries, and there's 50 watts wireless charging too. DCS says this device runs ColorOS 12 out of the box, at least in China. So yes, with 8 Gen 1 SoC and unified OS out of the box, it is gonna be powerful. The 8 Gen 1 CPU plus Adreno 730 GPU GFX bench is now out, and we are looking at something which may even outperform GPU inside Apple's A15. There is a difference of a single point, and that difference might break with OnePlus Unified OS optimization. Some more news coming in. OnePlus 10 codename is Negroni, which is an Italian cocktail. The 9 Pro was lemonade, so they are using names of drink. Right now I am seeing both Indian and China variant in full testing, which may mean China and India launch is gonna be around same time. Now OnePlus X Oppo merge is done. OnePlus is gonna use Oppo's resources for a max out flagship. So months back we heard OnePlus and Oppo are working on their in-house silicon. They are calling it the Mariana plan. Now an official news coming in. This is Oppo X OnePlus NPU, which is a part of Mariana chip plan, and this is gonna improve AI, machine learning, and also got some functions to improve the camera performance. Oppo say this is gonna debut with Find X4, and without any doubt OnePlus is gonna make use of that too. This is the OnePlus Nord 2 CE, coming with stylish Oppo-ish design and budget specifications. So we have a 6.4 inch display, Dimensity 900 silicon, 65 watts of fast charging, and 64 megapixel sensor. Here they are also working on a OnePlus Tab, which they may launch at same event. There is OnePlus tri-folding device coming in. Here we saw the patents and how it may function, and then there is OnePlus Nord N20 coming in with boxy finish and different looking rear design. This all guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.